This is a question from databases. We are asked to match list 1 with list 2 and 4 options are given. In list 1, first one, BCNF if and only if every joint dependency is implied by candidate key, all underlying domains contain scalar values, every multi-valued dependency is implied by candidate key, every functional dependency is implied by candidate key. Let's see which is the correct option. BCNF is a stricter version than 3NF. That is the first thing. BCNF is a normalization form that is used when there are multiple candidate keys in a relation. The condition for a table to be in BCNF is that each functional dependency X implies Y. The condition is X should be super key. So this functional dependency is implied by the candidate keys and is exactly what is mentioned by the option 4. That is, every functional dependency is implied by candidate key. So A maps to 4. A is mapping to 4. So we can eliminate 3 and 1. Now second one, phi NF. Phi NF, it stands for project joint normal form or fifth normal form. Project joint normal form. Joint normal form or fifth normal form. This normal form is designed to reduce redundancy in relational database, recording multi-valued facts by isolating semantically related multiple relationships. So basically, a table is said to be in the fifth normal form only if it is in 4NF and it cannot be decomposed into any number of smaller tables without loss of data. So the basic criteria is, first one is table, so should be in 4NF, and second criteria is it cannot be decomposed into any number of smaller tables, smaller tables without data loss. Here every joint dependency is implied by the candidate key. That is the basic criteria. So B maps to 1. B is mapping to 1. So B maps to 1. So 2 or 4 can be correct option. Now 1NF, if and only if. 1NF, the basic criteria is that the attribute should contain atomic or indivisible values. Hence, all underlying domains contain scalar values only is the basic concept. So 1NF can be mapped to 2. So C is mapped to 2. So option 4 is also wrong. 4NF. So 4NF, basically a table is in 4NF when it is in BCNF and there is no multi-valued dependencies. So for 4NF, the ideal condition is should be in BCNF, then no multi-value dependency. In this normal form, we ensure that there is a semantic of storing group data is maintained by removing any dependencies of the set of values. Therefore, every multi-value dependency is implied by the candidate keys. So 4NF, it maps to 3. So based on the options, we can say A maps to 4, B maps to 1, C maps to 2, and D maps to 4. D maps to 3. So based on the options, option 2 is the correct answer here.